Okay, good afternoon, teacher. We are Mireia Ide Yucrahuanca and Enrique Yuri Toro Montes, and today we are talking about our third conversation class. As introduction, we know about plagiarism is the act of using another person's work without permission, without sitting in, and it is a serious problem that affects various academic and professional fields. Plagiarism affects both individual reputation and integrity of the field as a whole. After detailing this case, the discussion is also both the role in collaborative work in these careers in engineering and psychology, highlighting both the advantages and challenges that teamwork entails in such critical professions.
Case 1, Plagiarism in Engineers, the case of Bharat Rajan University, 2013. In 2013, a notable case of plagiarism shocks the academic community in India, particularly in the field of engineers. Dr. Rahim Kumar, a prominent professional at Bharat Rajan University, was account of plagiarism of national portions of his research paper on power system engineers. His work involved advanced models of electrical circuits, and several papers were later found to have copy sections from early studies without strict similarities between Kumar's works and that of Dr. Wen Yu Xu and electrical engineers from Taiwan.
Okay, case 2, plagiarism in psychology, the case of Dr. Mark Hauser in 2010. In 2010, Dr. Mark Hauser, a renowned psychology professor at Harvard University, was involved in a high-profile academic misconduct case. Hauser, famous for his research on the cognitive abilities of animals, especially monkeys, was found guilty of fabricating data and plagiarizing the work of other researchers in his published studies. An internal investigation at Harvard revealed that Hauser had manipulated experimental data to support his hypothesis, and in some cases had copied research methodologies and results from previous work without proper citation. The scandal had wide implications in the field of psychology, as it questioned the validity of some of the most important studies. This case highlighted the serious consequence of plagiarism in the manipulation of untrue data.
Collaborating work in engineer. In engineer, collaborating work is a fundamental aspect of education and professional practice. Engineers rarely work in solution. Instead, they form part of multidisciplinary teams to solve complex problems. Advantage of collaboration work in engineers. Diverse skill sets. Engineers project often require experience for different fields. For instance, an electrical engineer's team designs a power plants may need to collaborating with civil engineers, environment experts, and financial analytics. Efficiencies and innovations. Collaboration allows them to devise text according to individual strengths, learning to more efficiencies for processes. Mutual learning. Working them helps individual learn for one another in changing their skills and knowledge. Collaboration provides an opportunity for junior engineers to learn from more experienced professionals, creating a dynamic learning environment.
Okay, about collaborative work in psychology. In the field of psychology, collaboration is equally essential, although it manifests itself differently than in engineering. Psychological research often involves multidisciplinary teams, including psychologists, statisticians, and medical professionals, especially when dealing with topics related to mental health, behavior, or cognitive development. The advantage of collaborative work in psychology, the first is interdisciplinary perspectives. Psychological research benefits greatly from collaboration with other fields such as neuroscience, sociology, and education. This interdisciplinary approach allows psychologists to explore different perspectives and contributes to more comprehensive research. Shared resource and data, collaborating on research projects often allows psychologists to obtain resources share data, and use more sophisticated methodologies that provide more reliable and generalizable results. About the disadvantages of collaborating work in psychology, first is complex coordination. Research projects in psychology can be difficult to coordinate, especially when they involve multiple institutions or international collaborations. Another is different theoretical approaches. Psychologists may have different frameworks such as behavioral, cognitive, and psychodynamic approaches. This difference can sometimes cause certain inconveniences when we're working as a team. Well, about the conclusion, we think that both engineering and psychology are fields that emphasize the importance of ethical practice, as evidenced by plagiarism case involving Dr. Rajiv Kumar and Dr. Mark Hauser. Collaborative work in both careers offers significant benefits, such as integration of diverse expertise and improved innovation. However, challenges such as unique participation, communication issues, and conflict ideas can arise. In the end, fostering effective collaboration requires a balance of mutual respect, clear communication, and a commitment to ethical standards. And that's all, teacher. Thank you.
Thank you.